Mheshimiwa Peter Salasya.
Okay. Mine is just as simple as young people who have been elected to represent the young generations to come. We have decided to stand with the young generations to come. And we want to tell the president maybe he's surrounded by people who are not well educated, and that's why they want to kill education in this country. And we want to tell that the education, we have been having boom, used to have health, and if you are thinking that you want to remove, then it's like you don't have a plan. In fact, right now as we speak, Kenya is one of the biggest because it's outshining the East Africa, other countries around, because it has invested a lot in education. So we want to tell our president that he has to reconsider, because if you look at the example, when you talk of 45,000 students that you are going to give the scholarship in this country, it means that per constituency you are going to have only 155. Like right now we have been the capitations that have been giving are supporting to 80%. But you look at the bursaries when we are giving as members of parliament, those university students who are applying, they are over 1,000. But now you are talking of supporting only 155 to give them as a scholarship. And we know previously the government had a plan to increase the fee for the universities. So this is just a plan to lie to Kenyans that they are coming up with a new model. But it's just one way of increasing the fees without Kenyans knowing. So we are saying that we have rejected this model, and as Mheshimiwa Baba said, we are going to incite all the students across to reject this thing in totality. When they remove the subsidies of the fuel, they must also look at it. What are negative impacts have we had? When they remove the maize and others, now they are coming back to the school fee. Universities have failed, not because of underfunding, but because of the corruption. Like in Nigaton, it failed because we had one person who was there as the vice chancellor, called Ruto, who stole the money that was supposed to pay to the KRA. And now he brought the challenges in Nigaton up to today. So that one should not be made to other universities that are enjoying. So we are just saying that, President, if you are not willing, you want just to other Kenyans to be like those people who are surrounding you, we are saying that no, that one we have refused, Lastly.